Mining Disrupt 2023 coverage is brought to you by our sponsors, Dynex Coin, Hivon, Conceal Network, Alephium, Jingle Mining, Yeti Audits, Deep Miners Pool, The Beginner's Block, Dogelord Coffee, and WhatToMine.com. Check out our sponsors linked in this video's description. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and it looks like Asic Jungle has their setup here. This is Mikkel is here with me, but we got you're good, you just talk to my mic. So hardware provider, hosting services or solutions, magazine. So basically, if you need ASICs, I think we saw Red Panda partnered with them recently, right?
If I'm not mistaken, yeah.
Okay.
So they're basically not really a distributor, but they'll find you hardware. I mean, like they have new and existing hardware all over the world. And you can get them from kind of wherever you are to kind of help out. Depending on where you live, it could be beneficial to use something like that because you could cut out the cost of something like tariffs if you're here in the United States. So they are based here, and that makes it easier for people in the United States.
Especially the time frame in which to get the units you ordered.
Right, yeah. The last I heard, someone got one from Asic Jungle. It was like I think it was like a 5-day wait. Basically, they had to wait like a business week.
Yeah, it's better than 30 days.
Yeah,
almost.
And
they
still give you like the warranty that comes with the hardware that you bought. So
nice.
You're not losing out on that.
So you can check them out. Looks like they got Twitter, Telegram, all kinds of good stuff. Down in the description, I'll link to them. And they do consulting. I didn't know that. I didn't know they do consulting. That's cool. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, Telegram, and yeah, check them out in the description. They got a nice little booth here, section for everybody to sit down. Maybe we'll do a live stream later on today. There's the main stage, which I want to listen to Andrew from Hivon's conversation or topic, but we're going to keep on rocking and rolling. Smash the like button. See you guys.